How to use Google Map for walking directions. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can use Google Maps for walking directions. For that, open any browser on your device and at the source bar type google.com/maps. Then press enter to browse it. Now make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once logged in, now at the source bar type the place name you want to search. Once you have searched it, click on it. And then at the bottom you will find this section. Click on this arrow facing right, and then at the left side you will find this window. Here you can see various modes of transportation. Next to this transit, there you will see walking. Click on this walking represented by a human, and then here choose the starting point. You can also choose your location, and then at the right side you will see the map where you can see the walking directions. You can zoom it. This is the walking direction for your destination, or the map to reach your destination. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.